Hey Fun Friday Bakers, it is Mrs. Foster and I am here today and we're going to do our last baking project of the semester. We are going to make indoor s'mores. It's a pretty easy recipe. All you need is 1 stick of butter already melted. You need 1 package or 1 sleeve of graham cracker crumbs crushed. You need half a pack of powdered sugar, some marshmallows, and some chocolate chips or some chocolate bars. So very easy. What we're going to do, first step, we're going to mix the graham cracker crumbs into the butter and the powdered sugar all in one. Okay. And we're just going to stir that up really well, get it all mixed in. And it's going to be not wet, but not dry, I guess. It's kind of just moist enough to get everything to stick together. And I'll show you that in just a second. Okay. So here's what we have. And I have a square baking dish that we're going to put this mixture in. Get it all in there. Now your hands are going to get a little bit dirty here because you have to press this in tightly to the pan so it sticks together as best as you can get it, because this is going to be like the crust for our indoor s'mores dessert. So you want to pack it in there really well. And that sugar in there is going to actually help it mold together a little bit better. Okay. So once you have that done, just like this, I'm going to hit pause for a second so I can wash my hands. Okay, so we are back and I have my, that's a little bit hot, sorry, my graham cracker crust ready to go. I just put it in the oven for about 3 minutes at 350 degrees to get it all packed together. Then what I'm going to do, I have about a half a bag of chocolate chips here, okay? And I'm going to sprinkle those on. This will help the crust solidify a little bit. So sprinkle those right on, however many you like, as little or as much. I used not quite all of that, maybe about, so I used about a quarter of the bag because we're gonna add more chocolate to the top later. So here is what we're looking like right now. And I'm going to throw that back in the oven for a couple more minutes until all that chocolate melts into the graham cracker crust. Okay, so my chocolate chips are soft. So I'm going to take my spatula that I used and I'm just going to spread it kind of like a jelly over the crust. Get it in there real good so it sticks. And then this will help hold the crust together. Okay. Then I'm going to take our marshmallows. Again, as many or as few as you want. You can use any size marshmallows. I happen to have these big giant ones at home, so this is what I'm going to use. And these are actually a good size, and I'll show you in a second because these can be guides as to where you actually cut your dessert. So 2, 3. let me just show you real quick what that looks like. So we have those nice sections. I'm going to, once again, throw it back in the oven until the marshmallows start to brown. I like mine just golden when I do my s'mores. Some people like them a little bit darker, so whatever your preference is. I'm going to actually turn the oven to broil, and I'm going to let those go for about another minute, so hang tight. Okay guys, we are back, and I'm going to show you how perfectly toasted these marshmallows became. And that looked great. So then what we're going to do is I have these chocolate pieces, and I'm just going to put the chocolate pieces one on each marshmallow section. All right, so there's what it looks like with the chocolate on it. I'm going to throw it in the oven for just another maybe minute or two to get that chocolate melted down, and then we'll be done. Okay guys, our product is done. You can see our final product right here. Looks pretty delicious. Nice good 12 sections of indoor s'mores. So I hope you enjoy this gooey, marshmallowy, chocolatey dessert during this campfire season, but maybe you don't have time to have a campfire. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi!
Have a great week.